Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ITEL S24 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find personalization. Then let's scroll, and here we've got the wallpaper section and the albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So online wallpapers, gallery, AI wallpaper generator and static wallpapers. So all you have to do is to simply choose the wallpaper you'd like to apply. For example, this one. As you can see, it will immediately appear on the full screen. So let's tap on set. And here you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen or both. And I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.